What's up, everybody? Kevin Anderson here, standing on a 2025 Supra SE 550. Supra is known for their rear surf lockers on all their models, so where you can put your boards, your ropes, wet life vests, all that type of stuff without bringing it inside the boat. They're also known for their complete subfloor ballast. As you can see, they have a Yacht-Inspired center walkthrough, so you can board this boat from the back of it, from the port or starboard, or even the bow without stepping on any of the cushions. As you come aboard this nice vessel, you'll see I have the RGB disco mode lighting going on right now. They come with a standard DSD audio system with optional tower speakers if you'd like. Standard dual screens with dual cameras off the rear of the boat. Standard heated seats with optional cooled seats for the driver and observer seat that this one has. Complete walkthrough up to the bow with removable center cushion if you'd like. And so many more features. If you guys would like to come check this boat out or give us a call with any other questions that you may have.